The day has come, boys. We are going to drive the Mustang for the first time. Now, let me guys get you up to date so we can be on the same page here. When we did our first startup, we realized that we had an engine code. The engine code is P0315. For those that have done the supercharger in the past, you will know that means the crankshaft positioning sensor needs to get a relearning process done on the car. It's taken me 4 days to find a dealership, to convince a dealership to do it for me. It's a really long explanation, but it's not Roush's fault. Roush said it happens to about 10% of cars that they end up redoing the ECUs on, and it's a simple 30-second reflash on the dealership. But it took 4 days for Ford to get back to me to give the okay to do it on the car. So we're gonna drive this car 10 minutes down to the dealership. Although it is in limp mode, it's okay to drive. We'll just baby it there. They're gonna do the crankshaft relearning process. It should literally take probably 30 seconds to like a couple minutes. Then we're gonna drive it home, and at that point, we should have all 700 plus horses to the wheels of this car. Now, right now, it's limp mode. It's not nearly making the power that it should be, but it's still good enough to drive it there, and we should be good to go. Also, we'll note that our stance right now was a little bit wonky. Our front is where we want it to be, but the rear is just a little bit high. It settled this a little bit more overnight, so we do have to adjust that. But the fitment does look pretty good. I don't believe we're gonna have any rubbing issues with our front fitment at the moment. These R888s look mean. Woohoo, making a debut, baby. We still don't have a shift knob. If anybody out there knows of some good shift knobs for this car, I would throw a Hyundai company one on there, but we don't have any more of this size in stock. We don't have any more in stock, rather. But yeah. This is the first time getting a little feel with the coilovers. The car has way less body roll than it once did. And this is technically the first time we're driving it. Feels normal. You can hear the supercharger whine just a little bit. Again, I'm obviously not gonna be getting on it or anything like that, but the car feels considerably stiffer, in my opinion, from the limited driving that we've done in this Mustang. First debut of the Mustang, right into this bus of children. Hitting kids way too early, bro. For the car not having any sort of alignment or anything like that, it's pretty good. Yeah, and no wheel weight, no wheel balance. Yeah, we ran out of wheel weights when we were doing the tires on the car. Feels fine, like I don't notice anything. Nice. Well, we made it, so that means we at least did it kind of right, because if we didn't do it right, we would have destroyed ourselves. I think I go in here. Let's just do it. She's ready. Oh, she's like, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Get. Oh, hey, whoa, hey. Can you like do a little? Oh, I'll give you a spin outside. Can you give me a little spin? Never seen the light of day. Oh man. Whoa, whoa. Excuse me, sir. They're taking the Mustang right now. They're gonna be reflashing it. They said give us 30 minutes. Hopefully we get the car back and we are ready to go. Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't see, I'm wearing one of the new shirts. If you didn't see the end of yesterday's video, this is one of our new shirts that we are wearing, and Calvin's rocking the hoodie that it seems like you guys favorite the most. Show them the sleeve, Calv. You can't leave out the small details. Embroidered Hyundai on the sleeve. A little pattern in there too. Oof. All right, boys, moment of truth. Everything is working. I had to take it on the test drive when he was gone for like 20 minutes. I was either like, A, he's getting a good joyride out of it, which I'd be okay with, or B, he Mustanged it, the car broke and we're screwed. Or, yeah, or he Mustanged the car into a crowd or something. Anyways, we now got rid of our check engine light. Positive. There is a very nice homeless man who is very interested in our car and he will not stop asking about it. We'll say what's up to him. Yo,
can this thing peel out?
No. We can't peel out here, homie.
I know that. But realistically, like, you could actually smoke the tires.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, but we're not gonna Mustang it into
like when you do that, you start out in second.
Yeah.
We could if we wanted to get higher wheel speed.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I used to have a LX Fox body. It was so light. I had too much horsepower for the back wheels.
Yeah.
Big free fun car.
Yeah. Thing probably ripped, bro.
Huh?
Thing probably ripped.
They ripped pretty good, but nothing like today's. Nothing like these ones, man.
Yeah.
Sweet, bro. Have a great day, guys.
Yeah, dude, you take it easy, all right, man? Ooh, we're now out of limp mode. So, before on the way here, we had pretty much no power to the car.
No power.
Now,
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid. The thing is I read a bunch of comments from you guys saying, until you replace like the rear subframe with all like the bushings and I'm gonna call them stiffening mods, I don't know what they're called. They're like, the Mustang, the reason why it peels out so easy is because the IRS suspension and all the torque, it gets away from you pretty easy. So right now, the 700 horsepower to the rear probably get away from us pretty easy. That's what I'm guessing. I've never actually like gone fast in this car, so we need to do all.
I don't want to die today,
dude. Just think of the content.
Don't want to die.
Just think of the content.
Don't want to die today. Ah! There's a lot of cars.
Baby.
There's a lot of cars here.
Oh, I'm so pumped.
There's a lot of cars here.
There is. So we're going to a freeway.
Oh,
and as long as you bolted everything down and torqued everything down yesterday, we should be pretty good.
Oh.
Oh, it's definitely much more alive than it was. I'm like not even getting on it, but like
Chill.
I'm scared. I'm so scared. I don't think I've ever. I could be wrong here, but I don't think I've ever driven a car with over 700 horsepower. Have I? Have you?
No. I'm afraid.
I did a review way back in the day of a Roush Mustang, just like this, but it was only like 600 horsepower. It wasn't 700.
How fast was the Porsche? The 997.
It was just a turbo. I don't think it was upgraded or anything. I mean, it was fast.
It was filled.
It definitely wasn't 700 horsepower.
Oh, okay. Well,
but
Mustang 700 horsepower.
This has more horsepower than the Ferrari, more horsepower than the RX-7, more horsepower than the BRZ, more horsepower than any other exotic I've driven.
Oh no.
I'm a little nervous here.
Dude.
We're gonna have to walk. Who knows? It may be very controllable. I don't know.
What? Very controllable? Ah, yikes, Teach. It's not okay. It's already sketchy when it's not horsepower. Oh, yikes. Yikes-arene. Yikes-arene. That's a big old yikes. Oh, no. Yay.
Second gear. Oh shit, I can. Oh!
Oh, you can feel it like
Dude,
body roll.
You feel the whole entire body like sink to the rear. Third gear. Drop gear and disappear. I mean, it's pretty controllable though.
I mean,
like it doesn't.
I mean, your cruise. You're at like you're already.
We're
going
doing
fast.
freeway pulls, sure.
Yeah.
But like you definitely, even though it's supercharged and very linear, you really like it. How do I explain it? It takes a while. Like the boost just like creeps up. So I'm in 5th, 4th, 3rd, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and then we hit red line at 7,000 RPM. I mean that's how. Oh shit! It moves, but the thing is it doesn't feel like
It's a dig. It's the dig you're looking for.
I guess, but I mean from you like it's fast. Like we're climbing fast, but I guess it's just such a big car that how do I explain it, Cal? It's like comfortable. Does that make sense? Oh, this kid right here is giving us the eye, Cal. This 335 wants, show him, Cal, this 335.
No.
He wants it, baby.
No, he doesn't.
He does.
Oh, yikes!
See ya! Woo!
Yikes!
Give him a chop. Give him a little love,
Get a
Cal.
little chop.
I shifted.
You been shifted, you child.
But oh, see ya, bud. Fucking see ya.
Can't be doing this. What's going on, dude?
Oh God,
What are we doing, bro? You're zooming.
Oh, sorry, bro. We're gonna try a little launch control here.
No, Teach. God damn it.
This is where Mustangs strive.
Oh,
I don't know if this will work, but we'll try it.
No.
Oh, it died out.
No, dude.
That was the 85.
Dude.
That was pretty quick, dude.
It's pretty quick. It moves.
It moves.
It moves some meat.
We need to get this on the dyno with delicious tuning. That's what we need. I think that he can go in and screw with some stuff, and I definitely feel that we need to get some headers on this car and open up the exhaust a bit, and we can get this thing to scream.
I think you have really good tires. That's why we didn't die today.
Yeah, dude, the R888s are so sticky. Like this thing can hold anything.
I think that's a problem with most other Mustangs. The stock ones, they don't have good tires.
Yeah,
But
that's probably part of it. Part
Tires
of it's
are-
probably driver mod too. I'm going home right now to my parents' house because I am hanging out with her today. For that, I'm gonna put the camera down for the next couple hours, just kind of hang out with my mom and hang out with my family. But I may be making a video with her, maybe, I don't know. By the time you guys see this, you may have already seen it, or maybe I never made it, or maybe I haven't posted it yet. I'm not quite sure, but what I'm trying to say is I will see you guys in the next couple hours.